Good day, folks. My name is Mr. Roger W. Davis. I'm a statistics instructor at Loyalsock Township High School, and today's lesson is creating a box plot. There are basically three steps when creating a box plot. Step 1 is enter the data, which is 1, 3, 5, 10, 11, and 12. Step 2 is set up the statistics plot. Step 3 would be setting up the graphics window using Zoom Stat. So first thing that we would like to do is enter the data, which is step 1. So if we hit Stat, Edit, and that'll bring you up to the lists, which are list 1 through list 6. And let's enter the data. So 1, down arrow, 3, down arrow, 5, down arrow, 10, down arrow, 11, down arrow, 12, down arrow. We have just now completed step 1, which is enter the data. Step 2 is setting up the statistics plot. So what we need to do is we hit second, y equals, and select number 1 by pressing enter. Now these are toggles, so we need to make sure that the on is toggled. See if the off is toggled, it will be highlighted. We want to make sure that it's on. And we want to select the box plot toggle, which is right there. And X-list should be L1 and the frequency should be 1. If it is not, make sure that you turn off the alpha button and put 1. We have just completed step 2, which is set up the statistics plot. Step 3 is set up the graphics window using Zoom Stat. So we hit Zoom and we scroll up to Zoom Stat and press enter. And this produces a box plot using the TID4. And if you hit trace, the trace button, this will bring up the 5-number summary, which is the minimum, Q1, Q2, which is the median, Q3 is, and the last one would be the high. Thus concludes our lesson for the TID4, creating a box plot. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, my name is Mr. Roger W. Davis, and I'm a Loyalsock instructor in Williamsport, Pennsylvania.